Join me as I take on the challenge of making AI work for me in real time. Let's see how much we can accomplish together. Imagine being able to automate tasks, get personalized recommendations, and even create content with just a few clicks. That's what AI can do for you, and I'm excited to share some practical tips on how to make it work for you right now. From saving time to boosting productivity, AI has the potential to change the way you live and work. Many people think AI is complicated and that it's only for tech experts, but I'm here to tell you that's just not true. AI can be complicated, but there are many easy to use tools to help you start. You don't need to know how to code or have background in tech to use AI. Another misconception is that AI is going to replace us. But think about it, AI is like having a brilliant assistant that can help you with tasks, freeing you up to focus on what matters most. It's not about replacing humans, but augmenting our abilities. Some people also worry that AI is only for big businesses, but the reality is that there are AI tools available for everyone, regardless of the size of your business or your budget. You can start small and scale up as you get more comfortable with the technology. There are so many cool AI tools out there that can help you streamline your workflow, from chatbots that can handle customer service to automation software that can take care of repetitive tasks. For example, you can use AI powered writing assistants to help you create content like blog posts or social media updates in a fraction of the time. You can also use AI powered creative tools to generate stunning visuals like graphics and videos without needing to have a design background. And with AI powered chatbots, you can provide 24/7 customer support to your clients without having to hire a team of customer support agents. But don't just take my word for it. Let's look at a real life example of someone who used AI to transform their workflow. Meet Jane, a freelance writer who was struggling to manage her time. She was spending hours on research, writing, and editing and was starting to feel burned out. Then she discovered an AI powered writing tool that helped her research topics, suggest ideas, and even edit her work. With the help of this tool, Jane was able to cut her writing time in half and focus on the creative aspects of her work. She was able to take on more clients and increase her income. And the best part, she was able to work smarter, not harder. In conclusion, AI has the potential to change the way you live and work. By automating tasks, providing personalized recommendations, and helping you create content, AI can save you time, boost your productivity, and help you achieve your goals. If you've had any experiences with AI, good or bad, I'd love to hear about them. Let me know in the comments below. And if you are keen to learn more about how to use AI to supercharge your productivity, be sure to check out my next video where I'll be sharing some advanced AI tips.